Hello, Punit. Are you there?
Yes,
Should
sir.
not turn the camera off. Okay. Then these are the things of past tense. Next to future tense. Will becomes would. Shall becomes would. Can becomes could. May becomes might. Must becomes had to. Could, should, might, would are not changed in indirect speech. That much things we studied. Then pronouns according to that we will change. It will change. That you imagine the context and write it. Imagine the context. For example, I becomes he or you. Something like that. It will be changed. That according to the context. Use your common sense and do. Not particular theory. Theories are there, but those theories will not work out 100%. So I don't want to tell you that. Then next one, this becomes that. Here becomes there. This becomes those. Ago becomes before. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. So becomes thus. Last year becomes the previous year. Like that we studied now. That also keep it in your brain and let's continue question sentences. Okay. First one we can start with a simple question only. No tense. Tense is changing already, you know. I will write many questions here. Okay. Some questions I will tell you. And according to this same tense only. Change it. First yes or no questions. What are yes or no questions? Already you know. That also briefly I want to tell you. Yes or no questions, always get the answer yes or no to us. For example, are you a teacher? Yes. Are you students? Yes. Are we paying? Yes or no. Okay. Are you writing your homework? Yes or no. Is he playing chess? Yes or no. So yes or no questions, always answer will be yes or no. How can frame yes or no questions? Yes or no questions always start with any one of the auxiliaries. Could you please give me a pen? Yes or no? Okay, like that. How can we change? Let's see that. You can write now. You can take it now. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee now? Do you like coffee now? He said to me. He said to me. What did he? So even though if it is a question, I used the word said here because it is direct speech. It is direct speech. Do you like coffee now? That is the question. When we turn this sentence into indirect speech, it is which tense is this? We must consider first. Do you like? Which tense is this? Punit?
Yes.
Anybody can say. Anybody?
Present.
Huh?
Present tense.
Yes. Present tense. Okay. In this present tense, which category? Which present?
Simple present.
Yes, very good. It is simple present tense. Simple present is changed into Kirtana. Simple present is changed into
Simple past.
simple past now. So very easy. You think that he said to me, "Do you like coffee now?" He said to me. It is a question sentence. Not so big and right. Some distraction is there. So just turn the camera, mic off. Somebody. Okay, I did not see the person. Okay, see. Do you like coffee now? He said to me. He asked me. It's a question now, so I like it. I write that I like it. Write it. See. Turn the place. Right becomes like it. Okay, see. He asked me. Do you like coffee now? Okay. So after asking me, if or whether has to be used. What is the spelling of whether? W-H-E-T-H-E-R. He asked me whether I like the coffee. Now becomes then. Just you see, I am writing. Instead of whether, we can write the spelling if. Somebody gets a doubt about the spelling of whether, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather, climate. That word is there. W-H-E-T-H-E-R, weather is there. So they may get the doubt. So they can use any one of the word, either weather or if. Just take it down now. We can write many questions. So I am going to take the board now. See, I am going to write one sentence in present continuous. She said. She said to comma. To whom? Not really. Are you reading? Are you reading? Question mark. Are you reading? Question mark. Entire the speech, you try to write it. I will give you write it with pencil. Okay, write it with pencil. Answer you write it. First you will think that just not the tense of the question. Are you reading? Present continuous. You turn it into past continuous.
Past continuous.
Past continuous. Right now. You can write. I will give you 1 minute. Not 1 minute, 30 seconds. Right now. Okay. Question now it is. So she asked Eve. Whether spelling if we got get the doubt. We get the doubt immediately the spelling. We get the doubt to the spelling word whether immediately write the if. Okay na? Then don't take risk. If you somebody may have a bit difficult to use this sentence with the if. Say in the mind whether, no problem now. She asked whether are you reading? Whether I was reading, writing a if. If or whether, ask. She asked whether I was reading. Then somebody may think that she said to whom? It is not mentioned here. Then now the I comes here. No role in that. Okay, you can imagine any one of the object here in the recording word. She asked if they were reading. Okay, you can write like that also. Okay, you wrote it now. She asked whether they were reading. Shall I write it out? Next question you write, please. She said to them. She said to them. What it say? Have you completed your homework? Have you done? Have you done your homework? Question mark, double inverted commas. Have you done your homework? She said to them. Okay. She asked them, what it is, have you done your homework? When we speak that same dialogue to next one, how to say? She said to them will be taken as question now. Ask them. She asked them. She asked them whether you checked us. Whether they had done their homework. Whether they had done their homework. When we turn it into entire entire of the speech, especially these question sentences, in the entire speech, we have to use only a full stop. Don't use inverted commas. Wrong. Don't use full stop there. Full stop we can use it in the statement sentences. I hope you understand. Okay, write this now. How many minutes covered? There. Okay, we can go to past riddles. Okay. She said to them, I am not going to check that. We can write like that. She said to them, she said to them, did you visit? You may think that Sir did not tell past perfect continuous tense. Don't think like that. Past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous I did not tell you. Same method, it will be changed into past perfect continuous. I don't want to kill the time. That is only the reason you can make. Nothing, even there is no chance for a bit confusion. It's clear. Did you visit her? Did you visit her yesterday? Did you visit her yesterday? Did you visit her yesterday? She said to them. She asked them whether they did the simple past verb that will be changed into past perfect. So she asked them whether they had visited. After that V3 has to be used. Whether they had visited the thoroughly. Visited her. Yesterday will be changed as the previous day. Whether they had visited her the previous day. Please write it now. Okay, students, I hope that you wrote it right now. I am not at all going to write on the board. You can write it down now. Write another one question. She said to them. Say, she said to them right now. Right now, she said to them. Right now. She said to them. She said to them. With the past continuous tense, one question say. Anushka, you say Anushka. With the past continuous tense, one question say.
Sir, with what?
Anushka, you were stuck. Okay, then who is online? Kirtana is there. Puneet, are you there? What you said the question, what we are doing is correct only, but the problem, we are actually practicing yes or no questions. What yes or no questions can you say, Puneet?
Where you there?
Where are you playing? Very good. Where are you playing football? BMI. Right now. She said to them. She said to them. She said to them. She said to them. Where are you playing football? There spelling. Do not write W-H-E-R-E. W-E-R-E. W-E-R-E. Somebody tells that verb. Remember that. W-E-R-E there. W-H-E-R-E pronunciation there. W-E-A-R pronunciation there. These three words pronunciation equal. Okay, W-E-R-E where, W-H-E-R-E where, W-E-A-R where. Okay, then how can we understand in English according to the context? Where are you playing football? Nobody thinks that the W-E-A-R. Where are you playing football? Right? Where are you playing football? Nobody thinks that W-H-E-R-E. Okay, if it is W-H-E-R-E, there means where are you playing football? It comes like that. Understood or not? Two where will go. Okay, see. Where are you playing football? Where are you playing football? Where are you playing football? She asked them whether they were whether they past continuous will be changed as past perfect continuous. She asked them whether they had been playing football. Full stop. She asked them whether they had been playing football. Did you write? Okay, we can write some future tenses also we can write. Okay. You write now another one. Did you write it? Okay, I will give you a few seconds. We have very few minutes. Okay. Some questions and answers also we can write. After that we can stop this topic. Otherwise tomorrow again we have to come back to this. See. Harish said to me. Harish said to his mother. Said to his sister. Said to his sister. Harish said to his sister. Will you go tomorrow? Will you go tomorrow? Can you see the board completely? Let me see. Okay. Will you go tomorrow? Harish said to his sister, will you go tomorrow? Will becomes would. Will becomes would. Then see, Harish asked to, don't write it, not it. Harish asked what to, don't want, asked to, don't write it, not it. Asked his sister whether she would go. Whether she would. Will becomes would. Whether she would go. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Whether she would go. Whether Harish asked his sister whether she would go the next day. The next day. Harish asked his sister whether she would go the next day. Understand now? Understood or not, dear students?
Yes, sir.
You make uncountable questions. Any doubt is there, ask me. Already I sent a new WhatsApp number. You can dart any questions there. It is only for question answer. So send there any question, sir. How to turn this question? How to turn that question? You can ask me. You are not supposed to stifle any of your questions. Every question must be asked. Any doubt, any question is there if you have. Okay now? I expect that. But you have to be thorough with it. Got or not? It's fitting time. Okay, bye.